This video will show you how to properly set up your VAT information in Excel using the MTD Express template. This process only has to be done once, as after it has been done, the template and your information will be automatically linked. First, you must download the template from the home page of the mtdexpress.co.uk secure site. This is the first page you see once you log into the site, and the link to download the template is at the bottom of the page. Once you have downloaded the template, open both it and your workbook with your VAT information already entered. Then, copy the sheet with the template onto your VAT workbook, making sure that the template is the first sheet in the file, as shown here. When you have done this, you need to link the cells in the template to the appropriate cells in your VAT information. To do this, you must use Excel formulae, as copying and pasting the numbers or entering them manually would not comply with the new MTD for VAT regulations. The formulae you must use is simple. Just type an equals sign into the cell of the template, then go to your VAT information sheet and double-click on the corresponding cell, and then click Enter. This links those two cells permanently. Repeat this process for all the green cells in the template. And you are done. The appropriate cells are connected, and the appropriate information will be automatically entered into the template every time you update your VAT information for each of your VAT returns. Again, now that you have completed this process, you do not have to do it again. Thank you for watching. For more guides on how to use the MTD Express software, including videos explaining how to upload your VAT return, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.